How to fix Google Chrome, Yahoo search on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome, Yahoo search on Android phone. First, open Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here in the top corner. This one, click on it. Click this one here and now click settings. And then scroll down until you find the search engine and click Yahoo, and that's it. Now just refresh here. Let's type test, and that's it. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.